5 Ways to Make Passive Income in 2023. Introduction. Hello and welcome to our video on 5 ways to make passive income in 2023. In this video, we will be sharing with you some of the best ways to generate passive income in the coming year. Whether you are looking to supplement your current income or build a long-term stream of passive income, these strategies are sure to help you achieve your financial goals. Invest in real estate. One of the best ways to generate passive income is through real estate investing. You can invest in rental properties or participate in real estate crowdfunding platforms. Rental properties generate cash flow from monthly rent payments, and crowdfunding platforms allow you to invest in real estate projects with as little as $500. Create a digital product. Creating a digital product, such as an ebook or an online course, can be a great way to generate passive income. Once you have created your product, you can sell it on platforms like Amazon, Udemy, or Teachable. The key to success in this strategy is to create a product that solves a problem or meets a need in your niche. Start a blog or YouTube channel. Starting a blog or YouTube channel can be a great way to generate passive income through advertising and sponsorships. You can monetize your content by displaying ads or partnering with brands that are relevant to your niche. The key to success in this strategy is to create high-quality, engaging content that resonates with your audience. Invest in dividend stocks. Dividend stocks are stocks that pay a portion of their earnings to shareholders in the form of dividends. By investing in dividend stocks, you can earn passive income through regular dividend payments. You can invest in dividend stocks directly or through mutual funds and exchange-traded funds, ETFs. Rent out your assets. You can also generate passive income by renting out your assets, such as your car or your home. You can use platforms like Turo to rent out your car, or Airbnb to rent out your home or spare room. This strategy allows you to generate income from assets that would otherwise be sitting idle. Conclusion. In conclusion, there are many ways to generate passive income in 2023. By investing in real estate, creating a digital product, and doing all that was mentioned, you can build a long-term stream of passive income that can replace your current income. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found these strategies helpful.